Hey guys, what's up? I'm Goes with Dmoney, and I'm gonna be trying to make no glue slime with gummy bears or fruit snacks, whatever you want to call them. Charlie is down there, but I can't grab him. Okay. I'm gonna grab a container. Alright. Yeah, that's better. Put them in there. Take it out after 15. Actually, I'm gonna need a bigger container, so I'll be right back. This is a better container, guys. I'm sorry. I didn't get the biggest. That would have worked the best. So put it in the microwave for 15 seconds to see how good it works, if it does work at all. I'm trying to see this, so if it doesn't work, it's just going to be put on YouTube as a fail. Okay. Almost done, guys. 6 seconds.
Slime.
Yeah.
We'll see if it's slime. Wait. Okay, the gummies are kind of melted. To be honest, it's not so good.
Yeah, could you get another pack for me? Yeah, we're gonna have to melt this more, guys. Yeah. Sorry if you guys can't see me that well, but
They can see me.
yeah, because I'm like a head taller than her.
Oh, don't put the slime in there.
True. We'll get 2 gummy packs. Put it in for 35 seconds about. It's really bubbly. So, as you can see, I'm not going to drop my phone in there. That does not smell good, guys. If you have something that's edible that you think would smell good, like better than this, I would do it. You're gonna have to stir this up for a good minute or so, I bet. Here, you don't have to stir too. You can just watch and see if it works. I can see it's coming together.
Guys, you can also eat this.
It's edible, yeah. Except the fact that it doesn't have the greatest smell, but it looks like
Hey guys, I'm gonna try it.
this if you went up close on the sun in a radar thing, because I've done that before. But not actually in real life, online. I've seen something like it. And it's pulling away from the thing. It's extremely hot, so I'll get a bigger thing than this. Now a couple minutes or so. You have to stir it a lot more than that. It's so sticky, guys. If not, it's probably just a good snack to have. Heat up gummy bears. It looks like it's coming together to be slime. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting. I just never have the time because of school and COVID.
Hey, Dmoney, can I stir it?
In a sec. It's getting kind of heavy. See, look.
Okay, can I see? I'm gonna try.
Ooh, that's cool. Okay, yeah, here.
Okay, so I'm gonna try. It's heavy.
I got a new thing. I'm probably gonna wear it.
Does that not look like it's?
Dmoney stands for Dmoney.
Okay.
I need to see the pokes, and maybe you might have to put it in there for in the fridge for 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Here, so can I start stirring it again?
Yeah.
Because it's getting kind of heavy and stuff, guys. And I want her to... Maybe sometime I can make a thing like this big of gummy slime if it works. To let it cool down. Looks like it's about to come together or something. But it's really stiff and stuff. Oh, it's really sticky as well. Well, that's all I can say.
Now?
Wait a sec. I need to feel it. I would not recommend touching it with your hands until you think it's came together.
I don't see it.
Wrong side. Oh, that's sticky.
Okay, maybe it just needs, she never told us, how long
No,
she
this is
stirred.
an unsolved recipe.
Kind of like a caramel color. As you guys can see, it's not really slime.
It might not smell good, but I wish you guys could taste it.
Yeah, you guys want to taste it. There you go.
No, I can't taste it through the camera.
Yeah, I know.
I'm gonna grab some Nutella and put it on there.
Yeah.
See how it tastes.
That's the complete recipe.
There wasn't a recipe. I'm making it.
Well,
It's not really a
it
recipe.
says on it that Nutella. So let's go now. Oh gosh. Okay, so we have to mix this up, guys. Oh, it's actually, I think it's forming. Guys, look. It's forming.
That's nice.
I think it's actually forming, guys.
If you guys do this recipe, please subscribe.
Oh, guys, it actually is slime.
Thank you for 34, 35 subscribers. I haven't hit that.
We had 36, I think.
35, 36, 37, something like that.
Okay, guys.
I'm taking the dog out, so I'll be back in.
Yeah. Here is the final reveal of it. It is slime, guys.
It's not the final reveal.
Yep.
Wait, let me check it out for a
Look,
second.
it is slime, guys. Look at this.
Let me see it.
It's slime.
Is it sticky?
No.
Okay, can I see it?
It feels
that feels good. That feels like butter slime, guys.
Guys, make sure that you like this video if you want us to make another making slime video with no glue. We will try and figure it out. Another one out.
Okay, guys.
So
Make
here,
sure you like, subscribe, turn on those post notifications.
yeah.
And peace out.
Woo! See you all next time. Peace out. Woo!